A single piece of paper where you mention your name, your education, your experience, some of your skills, and some details about how a recruiter or an interviewer can contact you. And this single piece of paper is called resume, or many people call it CV on this planet Earth. I still remember when I wanted to make my first resume, I sat on the computer, I started making it, and I was blank. Like, it sounds so simple to make a resume, but when you actually sit on the computer to make it, I was totally blank. And I know this happens with many people. So right here and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can prepare a very nice resume, or I would say one of the best resume of 2023. I will also provide you the template which I'm going to use in this video, but you must watch this video till end so you know how to edit that, because some of the things are complicated in that, and you will know when you watch this video. Hey guys, this is Akshay, and in this video we are preparing one of the best resume of 2023. And well, I do run my own premium services as well, where I prepare a resumes, cover letter, and some other posters. If you want to avail those services, link is given down in the description below. You can contact me on that, and you can avail for the premium services. If you are unable to make your own resume, we are here to help you. But yes, there are few points I would like to share with you before you even start making your resume. First of all, you must write a professional summary or a career objective. Write 3 to 4 points about that, what position you're going to apply, and how you can really help an organization where you're going to apply, like what dedication you have, what skills you have, how much experience you're going to bring, what actually you have learned from the past experience. Try to, like, mention that in 4 to 5 lines. This is very important. Second thing, write down your educations, and don't write any of the education which is not relevant to the position you're going to apply. Very important. Your 10th, 12th standard, and any specialized course or any degree, just relate it. Okay. Third thing, experience. Write down the company name, since when you are working in that company, what was your position, and very important, your job profile. Write 4 to 5 points so you can mention in the resume, yes, this is what you have been doing, so they have little idea. Next, about your skills. Make sure guys, whenever you're going to apply for any of the position, when you read the description of that position which is mentioned on any of the website or any of the magazine, wherever you read that, make your skills, your job description related to that. All right, it really helps you to track down your application, because many of the recruiters, many of the companies, they use ATS, application tracking software, and it works on the keywords. So you must match up the keywords. It's really very important. And next thing is about your details. Make sure you have your LinkedIn profile, because many of the people that doesn't really like to read, they will just simply click on your resume link and they will be redirected to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you have your professional email ID. Make sure the email ID is not really long, and try not to use any funky words into email ID. And your, like, WhatsApp number or mobile number should be the same, is actually recommended. And write down your details about address. In address, you don't have to mention about this, like my post office is that, and the district and your state and country. That's all, nothing more. You just have to mention your pin code, and by pin code anybody can recognize where you live in the locality of a Dehradun. In case, like, if I am living into Dehradun, which is a district and also a capital of Uttarakhand, so you just have to mention that pin code. So we are all set. When you have all these details ready, that's the time you're going to prepare a very nice resume. So let me take you on my laptop screen and we will make this resume. You see this one, this is what we are going to get. So guys, as I said into the video, first of all, I told you to write down your data, and this is what I have written down over here. Okay, so let me just take you through. Like the name which I am going to use, a Robert Dell. Position we are going to make for a front end developer. You can use, like, you can, whatever your name is, whatever your position, you can, but whatever I mentioned into the video, we are going to stick. About me section, I just written this one for my about me, whatever is suitable for your position, and depending on what your education, you write that. And then career objective, as I mentioned, I have written this. In the contact, I have my address, mobile number, and email, and my LinkedIn ID. And in the education, what I'm going to mention in the resume, I have ready that. experience what I'm going to mention, I have already that, and the skills which I'm going to mention. It is really very important, guys. First of all, you should make this one. So when you have this draft ready, so it is going to be very easy to just copy paste into the resume format, which I'm going to provide you as well. Okay, and now let's open that. So this is the sample resume I'm going to use. So for now it is just a draft, and when it is done, and you will see how beautiful it's going to look. So first of all, like when you come over here, you're going to click on this one. Like this format you will receive, and I will provide you in the description below. You can do it by yourself, and you just have to right click here, go to the fill, go to the picture, and then go on your computer. I have my folder here. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to use this image. So this image I'm going to use, and then I'm going to enter the name over here. So let's open this, let's copy paste the name. This is why it is important you keep your draft ready. So you're just going to copy paste, and then position is going to be front end developer. Okay, and save it here. After this, let's go to the objective me, like about me. First of all, let's so copy whatever you have written for about me. You're going to copy that and paste it here. Then let's go for a career objective. In the career objective, copy and just paste here. Right, now let's go to the contact section. As I mentioned, I'm going to use this address. Whatever your address is, you are going to use that and just paste it here. For the mobile number, I'm going to use this, a dummy mobile number. Whatever is yours, you are going to use that. For email ID, I'm going to use this email ID. Copy this and just paste it here. See, this is why it is important. You should keep a draft ready. So when you are making a resume, it is going to be a very easy to prepare. Just paste your LinkedIn ID here. Okay, and just save it. Now let's go to the education. In education, let's take the year first, your latest education, and then just paste it here. And then your degree, like in my case I have the bachelor's degree. You're going to paste it here. Just paste it here, and then we are going to fix that. And then what did you do in the degree? BSc engineering, computer engineering. And then from which university? I have just taken University of Chicago. Okay, so this one is 12, so this one we are going to make 13. Right, make sure this one, the heading is bigger, this one is smaller. So looking a resume, a very nice resume, right? Now let's go to the second education, which is the intermediate, which was completed in 2018. Just copy and paste here. Then take your school, copy and paste here. It goes there, and we are going to make it 13. And then, like, what did you study in the intermediate school? I have written over here, studied commerce with maths. Which school? School name was Narayan School. Okay, and now let's go to the third, which is a high school. First of all, I will take the year. In which year did you complete that? Copy and paste it here. Then what is the education? Education is high school. You paste it here, bring it back, make it 13. Okay, now what did you study in that? Standard subjects from CBSE board. And then what was the school name? Again, Narayan. See, pretty easy, right? When you have your draft ready, I will provide you the template and you will have a very nice resume. Now let's go to the experience. In experience, first of all, like currently working 2022, or you can just make it 2023. Right, and then what is the company name and the position in front? You're going to paste it like this, then bring it here, little bit scroll, and this one becomes non-bold. This is not, position is not bold, only the company name is going to be bold. Alignment little like this, and then we are going to mention some job profile, like what is your responsibilities, what do you do. That's what we are going to mention here. Scroll it down a little bit like this, bring it down, and will use some bullet points, and this one I like. Okay, this is how we are going to use the bullets. Looks pretty nice. Then bring it here, align it, and better. Right, second experience 2020. Okay, so this one is not little aligned. Let me align it. This one is going to come little down. This one goes here. Alright, now let's take this. The company name is 7 Electronics, position web developer. Alright, here make this bold and make this bigger as 13. What was this? This is 12, so I'm gonna make this also 12. This is also 12. Make this one also 12. Okay, and for this I can just copy this and paste. Make sure it is aligned and then bring it down. I'm just gonna use 3 points here as I do not have enough space. 3 points are more than enough to mention, and then just copy the 3 job profile points. Make sure you make a points. Do not write in a paragraph. It is really very important. It has to be in a points. Alright, so our name is done, position is done, career objective, about me, contact is done, education is done, experience is done. And in the interest, if you want to change the symbols, you can change. How you can change? Like suppose you want to add something else here, so you just have to go to the insert, go to the symbols, and then go to more symbols, and then you have many here, plenty. Okay, and then let's add the skills section. Skills also is very important. I have this copy, critical thinking. I'm just gonna paste it here like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove the bullet points and then I'm going to paste. Pretty easy, right? Web designing, developing, active learning, programming languages, organization skills, complex problem solving, logic, innovative thinking. So this is how you make the resume, and then you go to the file, click on save as, go to the wherever you want to save it, and then you click on the PDF. So you have the PDF format. When you save this, all right, and this is our result. See how beautiful this resume looks like, isn't it? So I hope guys, making a resume was pretty easy, isn't it? Anyways, I have provided you a link and you can go into the description, click on that link, and you will be able to download your own templates. Okay, I have given you some samples as well there. Whatever you like, you can download that and make it for you. And if you really want to avail a premium services from me, you can contact me on an email ID, or you can contact me on a WhatsApp, which is only a messages. Please don't call guys, just a message, drop a message and we will reply you on that. If you are unable to make your own resume or a cover letter, you can approach us. Anyways, next video is going to come on a cover letter, so make sure you have subscribed the channel, press the bell icon with all notifications on, so when I make more informative videos like this, you will get notified automatically. Till then, take care, bye bye. This is Akshay signing off.